Hello and welcome to Rajya Sabha TV. You're watching Rajya Sabha News with the host Rajat Kane. Let's have a look at the top headlines. Rajya Sabha adjourned till 2 p.m. as opposition MPs persist with their demands for a discussion on fuel prices. Reports of department-related parliamentary standing committees on demands for Grant 2021-22 for various ministries presented in Rajya Sabha. Well, Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Bill 2021 and National Institutes of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Bill 2019 listed for consideration and passing in the upper house today. Well, news in details now. Rajya Sabha proceedings were adjourned till 2 p.m. after opposition parties demanded discussion on the fuel prices. The House could not take up zero hour and question hour in the first half today as opposition members raised slogans in House on the issue. Earlier, the proceedings were adjourned for about 40 minutes after opposition parties led by the Congress insisted on a discussion on high petrol and diesel prices. Soon after the listed official papers were laid on the table, MPs from opposition Congress, DMK, left. BSP and Shiv Sena demanded setting aside of the business to take up discussion on the increase in petrol and diesel prices. Deputy Chairman Harivansh said notice under Rule 267 have been received from BSP MP Satish Chandra Mishra, Leader of Opposition Congress Leader Mallikarjun Kharge, DMK's Tiruchi Siva and Shiv Sena's Priyanka Chaturvedi. But Rajya Sabha Chairman has already given his ruling rejecting the notice under the Rule 267 and so his decision cannot be reopened.
4 notices हैं under 267 for suspension of rules and discussing this increase of issue of increase in the prices of petrol and diesel in the country. एक by Shri Satish Chandra Mishra ji BSP, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji Honorable LOP साहब, श्री त्रिचू शिवाजी DMK, श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी, ये 4 नोटिसेज हैं। माननीय चेयरमैन ने कल इस पर रूलिंग 267 पर दिया था, उसको रीओपन नहीं किया जा सकता चूंकि शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन डिस्कशन के लिए भी सब्जेक्ट आया हुआ है और ऑलरेडी मिनिस्ट्रीज पर डिस्कशन होना है, एप्रोप्रिएशन बिल पे है, फाइनेंस बिल पे है, इस पे काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है बोलने के लिए। इसलिए आप सब जानते हैं कि चेयरमैन साहब की रूलिंग रीओपन नहीं हो सकती।
DMK MP Tiruchi Siva said the issue of relentless rise in petrol and diesel prices has to be discussed. Bhupendra Yadav of BJP countered him, saying the ruling of the chairman is final and cannot be reopened.
Sir, we agree with you that you are taking up very serious issues of zero hours, sir. But at the same time, the hike in the petrol and diesel prices are disturbing the people very much. And when the parliament is in sessions, we have to discuss. You know,
तिरुचि शिवाजी सदन के सीनियर मेंबर हैं, इस चेयर पे भी बैठते हैं, खड़गे जी भी सीनियर मेंबर हैं। 267 में ये पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इनको 258 भी पढ़ना चाहिए। एक बार चेयरमैन साहब की रूलिंग है तो सबके लिए फाइनल है, सदन को चलने दीजिए। लोकतंत्र में यही है, जब रूलिंग आ गई है 258 में तो अब विपक्ष के द्वारा शोर मचाना कभी भी उचित नहीं कहा जा सकता।
Well, opposition MPs trooped into the well of the House and raised slogans forcing the chair to adjourn the proceedings first till the noon and later till 2 p.m. Well, Rajya Sabha commenced its sitting from 11 a.m. today and will function as per usual timings existed before COVID-19 situation. So clearly it's back to normal in Rajya Sabha and Parliament at least. Now, Deputy Chairman Harivansh informed the House about new seating arrangements in the upper house for the remainder of the session. The time for sittings of Rajya Sabha will be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. except on Fridays when the House will reassemble after lunch at 2:30 p.m. 142 members will be seated in Rajya Sabha chambers. Special arrangements have been made for ensuring effective participation of the members.
Honorable members, as you are aware, on the request from several members, it has been decided that during the remaining part of the budget session, members will be seated in the Rajya Sabha chamber and its galleries only with some physical distancing. Accordingly, 142 seats have been made available for members in the Rajya Sabha chamber and remaining members are being seated in the 4 galleries. Seats earmarked for the parties, groups have already been communicated to their leaders. While every member seated in the Rajya Sabha chamber will have a sound console with microphone on the allotted seat, some of the members sitting in the galleries may not find the microphone and the sound console system on their seats as it is not possible to provide this facility at such a short notice. However, in order to facilitate their participation in the proceedings, one seat in each gallery has been kept vacant to which these members can come and speak when called by the chair.
Well, Deputy Chairman Harivansh also made a statement regarding time allocation for the business for the week. The upper house will discuss working of ministries of Jal Shakti, railways, tourism, food processing industry, agriculture and farmers' welfare, rural development and tribal affairs.
Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on Monday, the 8th March 2021, has allotted time for government, legislative and other businesses as follows. Discussion on the working of the ministries of Jal Shakti, railways, tourism, food processing industries, agriculture and farmers' welfare and rural development to be discussed together, and tribal affairs, 4 hours each. Consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha: demands for grants for 2021-22, supplementary demands for grants for 2020-21, consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to the following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha: supplementary demands for grants of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for the financial year 2020-21, demands for the grants of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for the financial year 2021-22, consideration and return of the Finance Bill 2021 after it is passed by the Lok Sabha, 12 hours, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12, to be discussed together. Consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha: the Tribunals Reform, Rationalization and Conditions of Service Bill 2021, 3 hours, the Constitution Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021, 1 hour. The committee also recommended that the sitting of the House fixed on Friday, the 12th March 2021, may be cancelled.
Well, our correspondent Kriti Mishra joins us right from the Parliament. Kriti, many thanks for joining us. You've been covering this session threadbare, so please just take us to what all happened today so far.
Also, this particular issue was raised by the opposition parties, wherein LOP demanded a discussion, raising point 267 for suspension of the business to take up discussion on the fuel prices. Yesterday also, Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu had given a ruling saying that he disallowed the notice under 267 because this discussion can be taken up during discussion on the ministries and also during discussion on the appropriation bills. Now today again, when the House reassembled, this issue was raised by the opposition members, wherein Deputy Chairman cited the ruling given by Chairman and said that his ruling stands final. The opposition, of course, argued that this is a fresh notice, but also Bhupendra Yadav of the BJP reminded the members of ruling, which is of Rule 258, which says that the ruling of the chairman stands final. But as the opposition persisted with its demand, the 0 hour was washed away, the question hour was washed away. Now, of course, we're waiting for the post-lunch session and the House to resume. Back to you, Rajat.
Right. Kriti, just one more thing. There was a change in Rajya Sabha sitting today. Could you just take us to our viewers as to what exactly happened and what's the new sitting arrangement like?
Well, for the detailed analysis, let me take you to the first part of the budget session, wherein several members had demanded that all the members must be seated in the Rajya Sabha chamber or the Rajya Sabha galleries for better coordination and better cohesion. Chairman then had assured the members that he will speak to various leaders and then will come to a conclusion. So now today, of course, the normal proceedings of the House from normal timings, which is from 11 a.m., resumed today, and it is expected to continue till 6 p.m. in the evening. Well, there's adequate social distancing because members would be seated in the Rajya Sabha chambers, wherein 142 members would be seated in the chambers and other members would be seated in the galleries. Of course, there are stringent protocols that would be followed. There would be adequate distancing. There would be frequent sanitization. Sanitizers are kept everywhere. So this was the demand of the members since a very long time, and this decision was made and the announcement was made yesterday and it was implemented today. Over to you.
Many thanks, Kriti, for joining us and taking us to all that happened in the session of proceedings so far. Well, time for a short break. More on the other side. Stay tuned to Rajya Sabha News.
For OBC reservation, and also K. Ravindra Kumar made another demand which was in Telugu. So these three 0-hour submissions were taken up during 0-hour, and as far as the question hour is concerned, so there were questions on Ministries of Health and Family Welfare and Science and Technology. So members could raise a few supplementaries wherein the Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan tried to respond to the supplementaries, but amid the din it was difficult to gather what the minister was saying, and thereafter, of course, the House was adjourned till 2 p.m.
Right, Kriti. Right, Kriti. Many thanks for joining us. Well, moving on, Lok Sabha was adjourned till 2 p.m. after opposition members disrupted House proceedings over the issue of rising fuel prices. During question hour, opposition members entered the well of the House and started raising slogans demanding rollback of the fuel price hikes. Speaker Om Birla first adjourned the House till 12 noon and later till 2 p.m. Meanwhile, bills were slated in the Lok Sabha for consideration and passing as well. Now, these included National Capital Territory of Delhi Law, Special Provisions, Second Amendment Bill 2021 and the Constitutional Scheduled Caste Order Amendment Bill 2021. Well, that's it in this edition of Rajya Sabha News. Thanks for watching Rajya Sabha TV.